I know what you're thinking. Jagermeister? Are you crazy, Tom? I hate that stuff. It's disgusting. We're not making Jaeger bombs, right? I know, I get it, I understand. It's an acquired taste, and I really haven't acquired it that myself. But, you know, it's generally one of those bottles that are lying around your house. Because, like, somebody brought it over here, but they didn't really want it either. So it's here. So, yeah, we're gonna do something with it today, and I think I'm gonna change your mind about Jaeger. Because, you know, it's cocktail time! Yeah, so we're gonna make a play on a margarita today. This is the Jagerita, and it has Jaeger instead of tequila. But like other margaritas, it's not just that 3-ingredient cocktail. You can add an orange liqueur to it. We've got triple sec today. You could easily use Cointreau or Curacao. I wouldn't necessarily put blue Curacao in it because I think that would ruin the color. But yeah. So usually I'm a kind of a margarita on the rocks guy, but today we're gonna see if it'll blend. Here we go. We need Jagermeister, triple sec, simple syrup, and lime juice. And the triple sec, the simple syrup, and the lime juice is all equal parts. We're gonna put in 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, triple sec, and simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce. Do. Ooh, perfect. And this is a blended drink, so we're gonna put it in our blender here. Triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce. Yep. And then 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. If you like your drink sweeter, you could do 1/2 ounce of like 2-to-1 simple syrup instead of my 1 cup, 1 sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar simple syrup, the 1-to-1 ratio that we talked about last week. Okay. And now we need 1.5 ounces of the Jaeger. That's 1. That's 1. That's 1.5 ounces right there. Okay. 1 ounce, 1.25 ounces, 1.5 ounces of Jaeger. Oh, I'm gonna get it all over the counter too. That'd be fine. It'd be fine. That's fine. Yeah, not a big fan. It's an amaro with a lot of herbs. That's 6 to 8 ounces of crushed ice we put in there, and now we're gonna blend this up. I don't use blenders. I think I need more crushed ice. I'm adding more ice. I'm gonna add more ice. I think it's better. We're gonna go with it. We're gonna try it. I've never had this before. I'm partially terrified. I always make a mess when I do these things. So it's always my goal to just have it clean before my wife gets home. The Jagerita. We could garnish this with a lime wedge, probably. I don't know, I cut my lime in the wrong, weird way, so maybe that. And Yeah, that's the Jagerita blended. Let's go in for it. Hold on. Wow. I mean, Jaeger's definitely present, but yeah. The lime helps a lot. I want to try this shaken. Maybe I should have put that in a margarita glass, whatever. Okay. Jagerita on the rocks. I can see the appeal of the blended one. If you like blended margaritas. I've never blended a margarita, which is why it's not like, that's like a slushy, and it really needs to be much more one big like consistency. You know, I mean, if you drink blended margaritas, you know what they're supposed to taste like. I don't drink them. This. I like that a lot better. That's really good. Yeah, I like that a lot. I would order this because I'm not really a big fan of this by itself. It's overly herbal and almost medicinal, and so, but in this is really good. The lime and the triple sec really come in and cut what we don't like about it. We get the depth of flavor that's intended from this. Yeah, I highly recommend this. It's really good. And I don't really have a bonus cocktail or anything. I mean, unless you make an extra one like I did, and then you have a bonus cocktail. But I would definitely recommend, oh, I know what I can tell you. Get yourself a jigger that has the little line marks inside. I'm not a big fan of these round ones. I'm thinking about getting a different one that has the line marks because the round tends to drip on the side of it and you get it all over the counter. But it helps with measuring. So don't, you know, the other one I have is good, but it's like 2 ounces, 1 ounce, and then it's like one line inside. So you don't get the little incremental measurements like 1/4 of an ounce, 1/2 an ounce, 3/4 of an ounce, that kind of a thing. You just gotta get a guess. So definitely recommend getting one of those, and it'll help you in your cocktail game. And I guess I'm gonna see you later. I'm gonna go enjoy my Jagerita, which I think came from England, or at least Jeffrey Morgenthaler, big bartender guy in Portland, brought it back from England. So, and then I read about it online. So here we go. Cheers. See you next week.